Hey guys, this is Mr. Farrell. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully the classroom work is going well. Here is your video instructions for week 3. So we're here week 3. Now, we're gonna start off with the cell near pod the cell near pod. And so you're going to go through that. You're going to click through that, complete that. That's some good practice. Hopefully you feel pretty confident in the difference between prokaryotic, eukaryotic, some examples of eukaryotic cells, some examples of prokaryotic cells. Hopefully you feel good about that after that. Now, going into our cell size lab. So here's a couple of things that I posted. So let's get into this. We'll click into this and I'll show you. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to watch the video on surface area and volume. And then you will work with the cell size lab and the CER. So I'm going to click into that, kind of walk you through that a little bit. So with this, the video talks about what this is and what's going on here, and I've included some times here. So the times here I've included in the comments section in the post. So if we come back here, I don't know why this just did one thing, but we'll pull up a separate tab here. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. So in the comments, I posted the times for these cells, so that way you have times for these. And then you're going to go through and you're going to answer the questions and you're going to complete the CER. So I've kind of set that up for you already. Now, watch the video for the cell size lab, because that'll kind of explain, especially the justification of what's going on. And I've also posted a video here. This video is how do you work with a PDF, because normally you can't write with PDFs. So here's that, and then this, I'm gonna click into this. These are kind of the instructions if you don't understand those, the video I made on how to set it up. So if we look, there's an intro video, set up the tools. That's the video that I made for you to help you out. And then there's some training about each tool. So if we come over here, here's how to use the text help PDF reader. And then here's how to use the read and write toolbar. And well, what does this button do? This is a simplify page. So this kind of walks through what all these tools are, because I only show you like one. All right, so let's come back to our week 3. So after you do those two things, we're going to have you do a little bit of practice with a Jamboard. So with the Jamboard, you're going to match the word with a picture of it. So which one of these pictures would be a picture of a eukaryotic cell, and so on. And that's the only one in here. I don't know why this thing is here. So that's number 3. Number 3 is pretty simple. Number 4, number 5, also pretty simple. I know there's 5 things and that's kind of scary, but 3, 4, and 5 are pretty simple. I tried to keep it a little bit simpler for you this week. Number 4 is a vocab review. So if we click into this, all you're doing is you're just seeing, okay, do I know the vocab? Can I match what a prokaryotic cell is? You're going to do, kind of match this to one of these, eukaryote to one of these, and so on. So this is just straight vocab. And then on number 5, you have your quiz for the week. So hopefully that helps to clear some stuff up. If you're having problems with maybe the cell size lab or just any other thing in general, not just the cell size lab, if you're having any problems, remember we do a Google Meet from 10:30 to 11 to help you out. So you don't have to join, but if you need help, pop in, say, hey, I need help with this. A lot of times it's not very busy, so you may be the only person in there. So if you're like, I don't want to come across like I don't know what I'm talking about or seem stupid, like that's not going to happen. chances are if somebody else is there, they probably need help with the same thing as you do. So we do that. And if you oversleep or you got work or you have another class that you're meeting with, we can always schedule a Google Meet time for some later in the day or maybe another day. So either way, I want you guys to feel like you can access me, that you can get a hold of me and we can talk about stuff if you need help. I'd rather you be ask for help and be confident about what you're doing. That way you get good grades on stuff rather than just try to do it that way, it gets done. So I hope that helps. Hope you guys don't have any problems and this is a fairly easy week. If you need anything, get a hold of me.